Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hammad, and today we'll discuss about another type of essay in writing task to academic IELTS, and that essay about problem and solution essay. Right. So again, I introduce a template for you. You can put this template in either of the problem and solution essay, and which can easily provide you 7+ bands, right? So let's as you know that there are four parts: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and then conclusion. So how you can write these, how you can start. So here are some tips and tricks. So first of all, whereas introduction is concerned, you can see here how you can start your introduction. In recent times, then you have to introduce a topic. In recent times, comma, topic has become a widespread phenomenon, right? So in recent times, you can introduce topic here. Let me show you a question sample. Here you can see a question sample. In many nations today, the average weight of people is increasing steadily and their physical fitness level are declining. What are the problems associated with this trend and what measures can be taken to solve them? In other words, he can say what problems does this cause and what are the potential solutions. So this type of question overall comes. So how you can put in this, let me show you. In recent times, in many nations, the average weight of people is increasing steadily. Okay, then you can start has become a widespread phenomenon. Then you can start your thesis statement like this trend leads to several serious problems. Okay, but practical solutions can be implemented to tackle this issue. So these lines can be put, you can put in either of the problem and solution essay. The only thing you have to put your topic here, and you have to remember these lines. Then move on towards the body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1, keep remember you have to introduce problems here, not the solutions first. First of all, discuss the problems. What are the problems associated, like in this problems associated, like why the average weight of peoples are increasing, what are the main problems and why their physical fitness are declining, what are the main issues, what are the problems. You have to discuss problems of this topic in your first body paragraph 1. And how you can start the same start as we did in earlier essays, like on the one hand, comma, this development creates some of the clear problems. So in that way you should start. Then you can write the main issue is that, then you can let us know one of the problem of regarding the statement of the question. Okay, one major problem here. And then you can also describe, for example, comma, you have to example one about this problem. And how you can conclude your body paragraph 1 is, therefore it is understandable that why many people worry about this negative situation, because this is a problem. So this is how you can end, therefore it is understandable why many people worry about this negative situation. All right, now move on towards body paragraph 2. In body paragraph 2, as I mentioned you before, in body 1 you have to describe the problems, and in body paragraph 2 you have to describe the solutions of that problems what you discussed in body paragraph 1. Keep remember, do not provide solutions randomly, just provide those solutions of that problems which you mentioned in your body paragraph 1. And how you can start this, on the other hand, in body 1 on the one hand, and in body paragraph 2 on the other hand, comma, several effective solutions. Okay, here you describe the development creates some clear problems. Here you can say several effective solutions can be introduced to solve these difficulties. The best way to handle is that, as you write here, the main issue is that, but now here you can say the best way to handle is that, then you provide a solution of that problem. And then, for example, instead of for example, you write for instance, comma, then you provide a practical example. Then how you can conclude your body paragraph 2, hence it is evident that this approach can bring a greater positive result. All right, so this is how you can write your body paragraph 2. Now move on towards the solution conclusions, how you can conclude your problem and solution essay. So in conclusion, while in many nations the average weight of people is increasing steadily, this let's suppose this is our topic, undoubtedly causes severe problems. Okay, this is how you can conclude. First of all, you discuss the topic has some severe problems, then you can say I maintain that the issues are completely solvable. Okay, and then in the ending statement is that this is because executing the right strategies will help society protect in future in a long run. All right, so this is how you can write your problem and solution essay in your IELTS academic writing part 2. We already discussed some of the essays like discussion essays, opinion essays, advantages and disadvantages essay, and now we discuss the problem and solution essay. One last type of essay left, and which is double questioning essay, we will cover in our future lectures. So thanks for watching this video. Take care and Allah Hafiz. These are the practical questions. You can practice these questions.